Need more space for your data? Want to add a new column in Google Sheet, but not sure how? No worries, I've got you covered. In just a few seconds, I'll show you the easiest way to add column like a pro. Let's get started. So first, open your Google Sheet. Click on the column later like A, B, or C, etc. where you want to add a new column. Right click on the selected column. Select insert column left. So there's another method also for that. Click on the column later where you want the new column. Go to insert in the top menu. Select the column left or column right, and just like that you've got a brand new column ready to go. And that's it. Two quick ways to add a column in Google Sheet, whether you like right clicking or using the menu. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome tech tips.